What's up, guys? I'm down here on Te Awora right now, and today I'm going to be seeing how many animals I can kill in about 10 minutes. Let's see my loadout. Okay, pretty solid. I think we're going to go up here first. I'm going to have to reset the time and go ahead and get the 10-minute timer ready, you guys. Where's my timer? There it is. Okay, so I'm going to set it for 10 minutes. Alright, 3. We should know when it goes off. 3, 2, 1, and go. Alright, the time has officially started. Set the time back to 11. Okay, pretty big one. Okay, now I've been watching some tips for the grind. I need a group with at least 2 males, because you're gonna kill at least 2 males in your group. Got one. Did I miss him? Nah. Surely not. Oh. Alright, well, my game is froze. No, I'm just in chat. Oh my. Well, that's one off the list. Not off the list, but like one animal down. Pressure. Yep, right there. Low hunting pressure. One down. Got one animal in the time between 2 minutes. Oh gosh. I would only be able to get 5 animals here or whatever. Oh, let's change that. Okay. And then we're going a little bit farther down the map. Ooh, feral pigs. Alright, got 7 minutes and 30 seconds left on this timer. Alright. Checking down here. Seeing if I can see anything, but there's nothing there. There's stuff here. Okay. I straight up missed shot. I hit him. Alright, he's going down. Alright, yep. It's 2 off the list. If you're asking why I'm not going to pick him up, it's to save time. I may go pick him up after I'm done hunting, but go over to this lake. Okay, here we go. I believe the lake is the opposite way. The Hunter Call of the Wild has had some updates while I was not playing it, so I'll make another video. Probably going to be later today, but Siri, how much longer is on the timer? 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay. If only I could get over to these lakes fast enough, man. I didn't get that done yet. That's surprising. Okay, how much longer? 4 minutes. Come on, son. You gotta get running. Pete 6, son. Right now I'm going for, how many, fallow deer I can go for. Speaking of fallow deer. I think I killed him. Or I hit that tree. I think I hit the tree. There's something. It's called a bush. Yep. Tree down, tree down. Okay, so we've got 2 deer on the ground. Oh, that's a 2. I can't shoot that. Oh, man. Alright. Let me check if any of mine are cold. Challenges. Oh, 4 and 8. Oh. Just because I want to, I'm still gonna harvest and take pictures. Alright. Well. Bro, what are you doing? And stay, bro. If I took this to my head, I think I would fall down immediately. Alright, well, anyway, I gotta keep rolling. I don't think I got him. Going down here. Well, should we say I got him? Yes or no? Let's just say yes. So 3. 3 is alright. I mean, like. Go back up here. And there's a buck. Try to shoot him. Bang, bang. Oh, this deer, bro. Oh, time is up. Let me shoot at this buck once. And did I get him? Does it count as a fourth? And it does. 4 animals killed in 10 minutes. Comment down below if that's good, and tell me if it's not. Well, anyways, I'll see y'all in the next video. This is the Te Awora map, and this was ZTRV. Want to add me right there, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.